I'm training like a complete beginner. Today, I'm doing a full body workout. The rule is simple. Modify advanced exercises such that beginners can do them and get value out of them.
Side lunges. Yep. Squat. Whack. Jump. Whack. Whack. Control the movement. Keep working. Split squats. That's what I'm talking about. One leg forward, one leg back. Knee down and up. Let's work. Keep working. Keep working. And keep breathing. Good. Good. Work. 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 Knee down. Work. 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 Switch legs. Same thing. Just for push your knee down and come up. Knee down and come up.
3, 2, 1.
Work. Side step plank. Lying on one side, one knee on the floor, keep off the ground, one leg is up.
2, 1.
Left up. Make sure your knee, your hip, and your elbow are on the same line. Switch sides. Knee on the floor, hip off the ground, one leg is up.
3, 2, 1.
Lift up. Hold to keep moving. Push up and release. Now on your knees, you're gonna go down, release, and up.
3, 2, 1.
Down. Up. 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 Leg jacks. Push up position. Keep your core tight and just change side to side. Make sure your hip and your shoulders are on the same level. Work. Core is tight. Don't push your hip too high or too low. Keep it in a neutral position and keep your core tight. And change side to side. Shoulder taps. You're on your knees, lean forward a bit, and take your shoulders. Try to swing your hips.
2, 1.
Work. Lying back extensions, lying on your stomach, and lift up.
3, 2, 1.
Up. Control your movement. Cocoons. This little challenge. Lie on your back, hands overhead, and up. Check your angles.
1.
Up. Make sure your lower back is in contact with the floor all the time. Side lunges, legs wide, sit side to side. You know the drill.
1.
Jump, 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 jump. Static lunges or split squats, whatever you want to call it. Leg down
3,
and up.
2, 1.
Jump, up, 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 switch legs. Wait, jump, up, 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 jump, up. Side step leg, lying on one side, hip off the ground, lift up one leg,
3, 2, 1.
up. Hold it and keep breathing. Do not push your hip back, push it forward, so that your hip and your shoulders are on the same level. Switch sides, same drill. Your knees on the floor, push your hip up and stay up. Don't do this. Push it up,
1.
up. Hold it and keep breathing. Keep that leg up. Push up and release. This is what I'm talking about. You go down, release, and up.
3, 2, 1.
Down, up, 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 down, up. Engines. Push up position. Keep your core tight. Chip side to side with your feet. Control the movement. Work. Keep your core tight. Shoulder taps. You're on your knees, lean forward, and tap your shoulders.
3, 2, 1.
Work. Avoid swinging your hips. Try and keep your hands under your shoulders. Not too far forward. Line with back extensions. This is what I'm bringing apart.
3, 2, 1.
Up. Cocoons. Let's make it challenging. Lying on your back and come up. Your lower back is in contact with the floor all the time. Do not touch your back. Keep your core engaged all the time. There you go. Stand on your feet.